Yeah, hello guys, and you won't believe what's inside this box. Look. Dun dun dun. Drum roll please. But Horrid Henry toys. It's very rare and almost impossible to get now. So let me just take one out. So here we are. Yeah, here's a mischievous looking Horrid Henry. And they have the same articulation functions, these Henry figures. And then I have another one here. Oh my god, I caught it by his hair. And I got another Horrid Henry that's just normal. And there's his jersey there. Trousers. But with legal guff on it. And there's shoes. Hands and fingers. Look at that face. Hair. So, and then this next one is another one. Another variant of Henry, just this time with a cape. I've got a little button here. Look, watch what it does. Yah, yah, yah. His hand reaches out and try and get something. Well, I'll show you what it does in a minute. So, I'm showing you the figures off first. Next, we have Rude Ralph. Yeah, look at that paint apps. Yeah, there's actually stitching sculpt on there too to make it look like material. And there's a zipper. There's his hair. And then we have the back of his head. He's wearing like a red hoodie, he is. Then you have his white trousers. Oh, here they are again here. Hands. Shoe here. And you're probably guessing, what the hell happened to this shoe? Well, when I first got my dog as a puppy, she sort of chewed it off and I was annoyed. So, that's how you're guessing. And just an extra copy of the same figure. I got another set of these toys from eBay and got a perfect Ralph with the perfect shoes. So there you go. A bit darker trousers. A weird looking zipper. And a better looking face. And hair. And then you have this almost impossible obtainable Horrid Henry dinosaur, very rare toy that you can have to time it to get on eBay, and it's very hard to get. So yeah, if you see this Horrid Henry dinosaur anyway, literally grab it because it's rare. Grab it, but you can see it's pretty nice detail in there. And there's the jersey, it goes all around. And there's the tail. Well, you can actually make him talk by pressing him down like this. How do you do it again? Well, I think you're supposed to press down his legs and he'll speak, but... Oh, is it? Oh, it's not even turned on. There you go. Yeah, now it's on. Let's see. Yeah, I think he's out of batteries, I think. But he's supposed to roar, though, so... That's kind of annoying, he doesn't speak no more. Unless I put new batteries in him, though. But he still looks awesome. And guess what? Another virtually impossible figure to get. Perfect Peter. And he's got a bit of weird articulation, he has, and puffy hair with marks in it. Yeah, there's his face. There's his shoes. trousers, back, and then we have these little figures, like, no, Henry, a skateboard, this is accessories, and we also have a guitar, and a pirate hat, and a Little Miss Battle Axe figure, and then a sword, and then last little minifigure we have Moody Margaret. Alright, so I'm gonna tell you about articulation for this. So, like I told you earlier on, here we have Henry. So he has a 4-3-6 at the top. He can bend here at the elbow. He can go 360 at the top of the wrist, and then 360 at the top of the foot. He can he bend here? I don't know. He has a full weight. He has a full waist. Oh no, he doesn't. Sorry, guys. Well, his arm can move out to 90 degrees. Again. And move out to the sides, allowing him to do the splits a little bit. And his head has a full 360 degree, maybe. Does it? Nope. Okay. And you can sit him down as well a little bit. Or lay him down. But there you go, he's got a bit of a restricted articulation, there you go. Your articulation on Ralph now, so you can move his head a little bit from side there a little bit, and you can move it 360 degrees, 90 degrees again. You can kick that out a little bit. You can move his feet 360 degrees from the top. Oh, his little legs can go 360 degrees there. And he has 360 degree movement at the wrist. And then articulation on Peter now, so you can make him go 360 degrees at the head. So that's definitely a plus. His hands are a little loose here, they can go 360 degrees. 360 degrees. Yeah, I wouldn't force articulation on these figures because I think they can break. And you can do this too, like bend his arms and things. And his... Nope. Okay. Restricted. Oh no, the hair's gonna come off. Why is it feeling loose? Yeah, anyway. These figures, not the greatest articulation ever. I might show you the reaction feature on Henry now, so... Here he is, so oh yeah. No, he can't move his head. Yeah, there's like a ratchet joint in here for articulation, this figure. Oh, crap. So, you move his arm and then... yeah, that's not how it's supposed to go. I'll show you in a second. So, that's basically it. So, the articulation... yeah, those little minifigures don't have any articulation, though. So, this guy doesn't... oh, this guy can go... yeah, the dinosaur has 360 degrees at the top of the head, he does. And then you can move the little T-Rex arms up and down a little bit. Can they go 360 degrees? Oh, yes, they can, that's cool. And then, the little legs, I don't know if they can go. And you can wag the little tail a little bit. It's like a latex rubber material, it is. So there you go. I might show you a bit of the accessories as well. Well, I've shown you the sword already. So, where's Ralph? There he is. So you can put Henry on here. Why is his leg gone all weird? There you go. So there's like little peg holes under his feet right there, and you sort of put them in like this. I don't know if that's in properly, but yeah, if this fails, you get the idea, and you can do this. It's like he's taking off and he's going shoo, and he's going off on his little skateboard thing. How nifty is that? Yeah, and you can also put this pirate hat on things, like, you can put the hat on him. Look at that. And you can also put the hat on this one, so it looks better. Oh. Why is my hand in the way? There you go. And then this goes around Ralph, it does, so... I might get a shot of it in the camera, look. Yeah, sorry if my hand's in the way, by the way. Well, I didn't mind this accessory in the past, because you just sort of slide it over his neck. There you go. And it now looks like he's playing the guitar, look. And then that's basically it. Can you actually put the pirate hat on Peter? I think you can. Come on. Don't knock the camera over. Here we go. Oh, you can a little bit, look. Yeah, that's it, take it off. So, that concludes today's action figure reviews, these very rare Horrid Henry toys. I'll see you in the next video. So, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Bye-bye.